What if I told you that in 2026 you can still build a really powerful gaming PC without moving to the most expensive new platform? That's exactly what this system shows. Lots of gaming performance, smart component choices, and a build that still works exceptionally well today. Let's start with the highlight of this PC, the graphics card. The RX 9070 in the SAPPHIRE Pulse version is exactly the kind of component that makes a system feel modern and powerful in 2026 without being completely over the top. The 16GB of VRAM is a major advantage here. New games keep demanding more memory, and that's exactly why this card is not only strong for today, but also a very sensible choice for upcoming titles. On top of that, the 256-bit interface provides extra confidence when gaming at high settings and at 1440p. The Pulse version is especially interesting for anyone who wants a balanced system. It focuses not only on performance, but also on a practical, often more compact design with good cooling. Compared with the GeForce RTX 5070, the RX 9070 mainly stands out with its larger memory capacity and very strong traditional gaming performance, while Nvidia may have an edge in ray tracing in some cases. For many gamers, that balance is exactly what matters. Check out the product links in the description. For the processor, we're going with the Ryzen 7 5800X, and this is exactly where the strength of this build becomes clear. Instead of simply following the newest trend, this system uses a proven 8-core processor that is still very convincing for gaming and everyday use. With 8 cores and 16 threads, not only does the game run smoothly, but everything around it does too. If you also keep a browser, music, chats, or other programs open in the background, you still get a very smooth experience here. Especially at 1440p, this processor works very well with the RX 9070 because that's where the graphics card handles most of the workload. On top of that, AM4 is now a mature platform. Many components work together without issues, and the whole foundation is stable and well understood. That's exactly what makes this PC so appealing. Subscribe to the channel for more builds like this, and if you like this configuration, feel free to leave a like. The motherboard is the foundation of the entire system, and the B550 AORUS Elite V2 fills that role very convincingly. It offers solid power delivery, which is especially important with the Ryzen 7 5800X, and it provides PCIe 4, delivering exactly the modern features this build actually needs. It also comes in the practical ATX form factor, which makes the build process easier and offers enough room for the rest of the components. It's not an overloaded luxury board, but a strong, sensible base for a gaming PC in this class. Memory is the PC's fast short-term storage and helps games and programs respond smoothly. In this build, we're using 16GB in dual-channel mode, which still works for gaming, although 32GB would clearly be more comfortable in 2026. For storage, we're using a fast 2TB SSD. The big advantage is the combination of very high speed and enough space for the operating system, programs, and plenty of large games. For cooling, we're going with a compact air cooler that's easy to install. It's a practical and space-saving solution, even if it's more functional than especially generous for the Ryzen 7 5800X. The power supply is a very good fit for this configuration. 750 watts offers enough headroom, and you also get modern standards, good efficiency, and fully modular cable management for a clean interior. The case gives this build its own character. It offers plenty of room for powerful hardware, good cooling options, and makes the building process much easier thanks to its tool-free design. Overall, this is a very smart gaming PC for 2026. It combines a powerful modern graphics card with a proven platform, fast storage, and sensibly selected components. It shows very clearly that you don't always have to buy the newest platform to get an excellent gaming computer. Check the product links in the description, and if you like this build, we'd appreciate a like, a comment, and a subscription.